Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Satang katu kanitoyo shwa ke election MDC haki artali ki Autonomous District Council ka Bharatiya Janata Party hinne kasngi kelapan bena ya ka thup Kyrteng ka ban Nyngkong Jong ki Kyrtong ki ban Ïakhun ya ka election ka ban salong haka arphuwaiterik urumpang 8,000 apusan. Nakalyang kaseng kalapan benai ki khat saungut ki Kyrtong nak benta ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council but laingut nak benta ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. Ya ka Kyrteng Jong kini ki Kyrtong lapan bena da Vice President ka BJP uba kraubok lang basayamot ha ka ba lapan bena ya ka Kyrteng Jong uba Himanta Timung na jirang uba Manin Raja na nongpo uba Hoping Stone Marsharing na Mauhati ya uba Bright Star Field Kongwer na umsning bat uba Elvis Star Kharbudan na Langkerdam Lat Kro kat ba u councilor Mukim lapan bena kom u Kyrtong na Maukenro uba Ebren Kongtha na Nongsken uba Fairlock di Ringsai na Nongthamai uba Kinsai Bor Lingdo na Malki Laimkra kakong Daniela Nonglat na Maulai bat uba Lewis Janong Suting na Langrin uba di Mandar Lingdo na Nongston uba Dominic Walang na Rambrai Jerngam bat uba Ronald Mausor na Motionrut nakbenta ka GHADC kaseng kalapan benaya ka Kyrteng uba Haymon Mitri Pawa na Jowai South uba Manbahaling do na Mutlong Sok Kempor bat uba Shanbor Rembay na Musniang Rengat nakalyang State General Secretary ka BJP uba Wankit Bok Poshna ulaong bakaseng kandon ka Jinkerman banyo ya ka Jingjob ha ka nik election banwan Ulaong baka BJP kalanang klan na kaway kapor siya kaway pat bat ki Kermen bakin yo Jingjob hakanik MDC kabansalong ha ubanay ubanwan.
To announce the list of the MDC candidates from the BJP for the upcoming district council elections. I have amongst me the committee members of the state election committee under the chairmanship of Shri Bakrao, who is the state vice president.
Okay, the state election committee and as approved by the state president has finalized the following candidate of the Bharatiya Janata Party for the Ïakhun District Council election 2025. So maybe this is the first list of the party, the candidate. One Jirang will be Himanta Timu. Two Longpo Manin Raja. 3 Mauhati, Hoping Stone Marsharing, 4 Umsning, Bright Star Field Kongwer, 7 Maukenro, Councillor Mukim, 8 Langkerdam, Laikro, Elvis Star Kharbudan, 10 Nongsken, Sri Ebren Kongtha, 16 Nongthamai, Fairlock di Ringsai, 17 Malki Laimkra, Kinsai Bor Lingdo, 20 Maulai Srimati Daniela Nonglait, 26 Langrin Lewis Janong Suting, 27 Nongstoin Dimadar Lingdo, 28 Ramrai Jerngam Dominic Walang, 29 Motion Road Roland Mausor. So these are the 14 candidates from the GHDC. For the GHDC we have 3 names now. From 19 Jowai South, Haymon Mitre Pawa, 20 Mutlong Sokumpor, Manbha Lingdo, and 22 Musniang Rengat Sanbor Rembai. So these are the 17 candidates from our party for the Kiki kam kiba kam kraw kiba Jington kam kiba hakmat haga yadi bat ka ka district council kumba kalong pitip hi ba podeli ngi don hi ka po ka sarkar te lada ni ki brijongi ki job ki yo ni ka jing job te kalong ka pasuk bangin ya kren ngani banwan ra ikinu kudu ki kampun roi ha po ka state itu ni katu ka pi ka ha bhede bakani ngiladon ka po ka committee jo ka manifesto te menta kidang don le de biasong ha ka sin to Nyngkong but ngai sa la shine le sikin pendap ya ka manifesto te hantu kin sapau hi ke ek baka gijing anglot ke gijing thu ka ba khamat ka bangi kum ka BJP ngin wan ra man bu hakmat koi pa katu kasap kau syai lang ba manifesto ku jong
Lisa adu kan ba ki Kyrtong jong phi kin job ha kan ka election
pi ha ka jing si sha hi habangia ka habayale election hi baro he ki ong ban job hi ju don hi bulu ong ban yale election ban re mo ten le ha ka jing le pat te ngimla pat ban ong ki ma ka ni kam de ka song ka rai ke jong nga jong marui simet ke jong pai ba wo bun
pai ba de ben ki
pai ba
ki jingtrai ki ba ka sarkar BJP hi hagini ki spose nam ki ayat yanti mentangi la don ka third term ka jingla ban sanshar po kari ki bun ki jing mentoi ki bala poish ki pai ba lemba ki scheme ki ba pher ba blai tingi kermen ba pai ba on ai sok handiat ka jing sanya haki candidates jong ka party jungi khram bangin yo ban rung ha council ba kita ki jing mentoi ki ba wan nang te nolor ngila ban penetrate ha ki constituencies jong ka district council
Rengi pit par ya ki pai ba hapo ka jela chungi ba ya ka BJP long kim ompat bediang
mau kemudian pinlai ba ngidang sudah ke membership drive menekini ngidang dak ke organizational elections ki pai la priang nila yo ban register member verified members kuma more than 60,000 the nakitu ngila de verify kuma like ko hajar and ngila don ki active members kuma sanspa ti ngathai ka jing priang hi ka party kala don ka sulong no ba ngimpat yo ban let ban penetrate namar ba ngidang reorganize ladi nangni shakmat ngathai pinsei ye ki kam ki ba ngin satrai
marwa ki pai pa hi ki la sim hi ya ki jing arab ka bagai ka BJP ka ai mo nam au ba kimpat pudian telu ba kini ki sipo kara snem ki la lek bar hoi ki pai pa hi nadu na son hadu no kendong ki simlut hi ya ki jing arab ka ba ka ai te kasulong tang ka wei ka ba ngingim podio e kalapat ya ka ba ngili yetu ban pensai ki ba kini ki skim baro ki long de na ki wan da ki arab jongka sarkar ujung modi te kam tam na phile hakino kendong lu ha ba ngili hakino kendong bun sin ngi kli manu ba ai kan ki mudi manu ba ai pan khana mudi manu ba ai kita kitip hi ba manu ba ai te sulong ba ngim por la ban organize ba hai ka party te ngi samba mentangi dan sudah ban organize ka party te lingba kin nang ni sakmat ngi salek ban persai pat segi pai ba kini balok kilong ki ba ngi ka party na ka Delhi prime minister uhai ki jingarap lumta ki jington kam jong ki pai ba baro klempek siliang lau de u lum la nu them la de wa kumnu klempek siliang ni nu ai baro.
There are potential seats that we are working on and we are having a positive note on it.
Which are the potential seats that you're looking at?
From Riboy districts, there are few. From East Jante Hills, from Southwest Hills, we do have potential seats. From Shillong City, we do have.
It is often seen that BJP one, the notion of anti-Christian and all that, and another is that it hardly connects to the indigenous people. How is it that BJP this time has put up candidates? How do you comment on this?
This is the first time actually the party is going all out to contest maximum seats in the district council, and I'm sure will be our participation will help to the party will be able to contribute in strengthening the foundation of the district councils. So that was we're looking forward if people choose our candidates. See, I cannot comment on what has gone wrong on the previous elections, but yes, we will ensure that the candidates which we have announced today, they will go to the field and carry forward the party's message. Obviously, we're going to have a centralized manifesto which we're going to bring out in the coming days, and we hope that our candidates will go forward and carry the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi of developed nation and how to go about it, and how from the district council we can be part of that vision of a Viksit Bharat. Kadangnya ke proses actually kadangnya
Sisial tu ba ni kwa hiban punyang ya baro ha baro ki apo kendai apo ki HDC ba apo kendai ki HDC. Tenrei ni ngimpot yo har long ka ingi bangin yo makani ka kasing ka Nyngkong namal kum ka party hi ngi don ka jing mde ba ong ba ngim don ka jing ki kle na ka ka
Lodge on the manifesto because we have a different manifesto committee. So they're working on it and on a broad light, obviously to strengthen the the basics of the district councils. Yeah, the second list will be coming. When will it be? We are expecting before the 27th. I think so. Notification is on the 27th.
Kung ay play PT press ibala yagan tentang segi but kena di segi ke bakrau baga megalaya kala celebrate ya ka jingda pesan pulai selain kita tekum ke BJP ro ribut ti ya ka jingla jong sorkan megalaya da ka bangin ya observe lang ya kena segi ke baik kaman baga state megalaya kendahi ke state ka ba kiu syafran yes kidom ki look up down hang ne hang tai rai ni de benong sakmat haki barok hai tekum ke BJP party ni krelenti nang ne hi sakmat ba ka sensar ka khadar ka jing im bat ka jing long jing man ha nado ki dorbar snong ki dorbar hima hado ka state hibar gawai hapo ka jing pai jabat district council nang ne sakmat ki long bet ki babet ki bayaranti bat ki bala ban ai ka jing sakri ba ha nam ta ki pai ba te hot nagaliang ka party ro kumbang nila penslo mentai ki candidate ni kwelenti kan ba ki candidate ki jong hi ki treshitong bat ken ai ka jing sakri ka ba ka ba khoi nang ba ka district council ru kan wan ra ya kita gi leader dan ya kita gi nong yalam ki ba khoi ki bala ban ai ka jing sakri ka ba ki pai ba
ngar pum kinong yalam jong ki senglom kami nusgo ba tu ki pai ba da kin hai thmat shangi shaka hakani ka election ka banwan maka habak kachbangi pet khamtam ki long kami kidan be shadin ibon hakini ki long ki party ba pher mujhe kham ailat hi ki long kami ne ka seng BJP kala ailat but ne gets kem ru ba bon haki kop chileng ki sem chiliang tangwa for election shet pensong shet kajik pensong shet jong ki pai ba ru kala long I kembakan kan wan ra ka jing par hot ni kom ka party BJP ni kwa ba ka roi ka par kan wan ban youtube ki seng long kami ngin tre sakmat bangin la ban penur long ya kita ki ya kini ki jing jong ki pai ba khamtam ka jing jong ki long kami ki kop siliang ki sem siliang ladangi yo boleh ki candidate hangi ngengit scam ba ki ba ki ba mensua ki mla bele ngasgo ba ni kilong kami ngin la ban tun rong lang yi ki jing khia jong ki pai ba la ki ai la chisin ban bot yang yi ha ka li ka MDC